if you usual trader, you need this AI strategy. Look at this. Right now, I have CAD GPY OTC currency pair, and right now I'm open 1, 2, 3, 3 bets for 200 bucks for up, and you see my entry. And right now I'm open this entry without AI bot, and you see I'm lost. It's very bad. But now I'm open AI bot, and let's find this is currency CAD GPY OTC, CAD GPY OTC. Click M1, 1 minute, confirm request, and waiting the signal from AI. You see down, and let's go. I make down. Look. I'm open 6. Oh my god, 6. Yeah, I'm open 6. Yeah, I'm open 6 steps for down. You see, I'm lost first step because I'm open without AI. Right now I'm open with AI, and let's go. I'm open 6 steps for down for 1 minute. Let's watching. It's very easy. Like and subscribe to my channel because you see the best strategy for me. And 30 seconds is left waiting, and you see green candles, and you see this AI board. CAD GPY OTC down 1 minute, 92%, confidence 75%. That's very cool. Name of this AI bot you see on this screen. This is a Telegram. In Telegram you can find this bot in search. In search. Okay, waiting. Nice. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, you see, very easy. Okay, I like it, bro. I like it. And you can make for another, okay, maybe another step. Let's go. New signal, CAD signal, OTC pair, and maybe outcut OTC. Let's go find outcut OTC and M1. Let's go. M1 outcut OTC. Waiting. Green and up. Open up, and let's go. 1 bet for 200 bucks for up for 1 minute, and we're waiting. Share this video with your friends because it's really interesting, and write in a comment where are you from. Maybe you're from Canada, maybe you're from United States of America, maybe you're from Colombia, Brasilia, Bolivia. Write in a comment where are you from. Okay, you see my you see green candles, and that's bad. We need double bet right now. Double bet, make double bet. Nice. And waiting. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Let's go, bro. Let's go. 12. Oh my god. 12. 10. 9. 6. Come on. 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Easy. You see, we make. Yeah, we make. Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, friends, if you need this AI bot, you can find it in Telegram. And thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe on me, and bye bye, everyone.